How to manage your automated account on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage your automated account on Twitter easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is go to Twitter. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and then go down until you find settings and privacy. Click on it, and now choose the first option, which is your account, and choose again the first option of account information right here. Now as you can see here, you will find some options, and here is the automation option. All what you have to do is click on it like this and go down and click got it, and you will start managing and automating your account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.